this Lexus IS350 front bumper, fresh off the road. Show you how to start and finish. So we got a whole road, we got enough paper, small enough front bumper to do the front and back bumper out of one strip. So I'm gonna run it, cut the paper in half, use 27 inches for the front, 20 inches for the back. 27 inches all the way around. And this method don't work on a matte color because don't really working out because it got plastic cap on it. So I can draw on the plastic cap. And this top piece can be used to do the front bumper. To do the back bumper. This is a good way to get both the front and back bumper out. Like I say, I got a piece of wrap already in here. So all I gotta do now is cut like right here. Bam. Cut like right here. Bam. And just fold it in. My time. Say I already got an inlay right here, so and I got enough tension. Draw me a little line right there. Fold it straight over. Yeah, but that's clean though. I just want to show you what they look like. Cause I'd be losing the magnets. Falling in the car. Alright. Lexus bumper, complete. That boy cold with it, man. I ain't had to take the bump off. Hold on. Hold on. Look at the motherfucking edges. That's why they call him the GOAT. 60. Hope y'all enjoyed the content. Like, follow. Well, see y'all in the next stream.